What's up, guys? You just pick up a UP200 Duo. I'm going to show you guys a quick rundown on how to hook it up. This is the 200 watt 10 amp dual charger from Ultra Power. Go ahead and open it up and show you. First, I'm going to show you what we're charging today. We got a 2-cell 5200, the Dean's connector, which is what the charger comes with. So just your regular general 2-cell. This charger is capable of charging many kinds of batteries. This just happens to be what we have today. You can go ahead and open it up. Right on top, got your instruction manual. Definitely want to give that a look through. On the side, we got our cables and connectors. Power cable comes with 2 balance boards and 2 Dean's plugs because it's a dual charger. I'm just going to use one side today. Both sides program the same. Go ahead and uncoil your wires. It's your balance board and Dean connector. Your power cable. Get that stretched out. Don't plug it in yet. Then we're going to pull out our charger. That comes wrapped in the foam. Slide it out. The UP200 does have screen protectors on it here. I'm just going to leave them on there for now. This is for a DC hookup if you want to hook to a battery on a car or power supply. All your connectors in the front, fan on the side, and our power input on the back. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the input. Make sure you guys make sure these are nice and snug. If they're a little loose, they could arc out and also not turn on. Set the charger down, plug it in, give it a second to power up. Makes a little beep when it's ready. So on the front side, I'm just going to show you on one side here. The balance cables only go in one direction. They'll have a positive click when you plug it in. Our bullet connectors, red and black, positive, negative. Other side hooks up the same. Set it back down. So right out of the box, we're set up for lithium battery on balance and 2 amps. So if you have a smaller 2-cell, this charger is already ready to go. Technically, it would work with the battery we have today, but it's a little bit bigger of a battery, so we can charge it a little faster. So you're going to want to hook up your battery, plug in the main leads, plug in the balance. Now this balance board goes from 2 to 6. We're working with a 2-cell today, so make sure you plug it in the appropriate one. Otherwise, we'll get an error message. We're going to pull it down here for you. Now we're on the front screen here. At this point, all I really need to do is turn up the amperage and set it to charge, but I'll give you a quick demonstration. So if for some reason you don't have a LiPo, you're going to hit the stop button. That'll bring you to program select, at which point you can cycle through the type of battery and also go into the system settings and other things like that. We're just going to go back to LiPo, hit the enter button, so we're still at LiPo in the top corner here. I'm going to hit the plus button again. It's going to go to charge. Again, at this point, this will do fast charge, storage, and discharge. I'm going to set it to charge. That's our mode that we're most generally going to use. Then I'm going to tap the enter button again. Now our amperage should be flashing. I'm going to turn this one up to 5 amps because it's a 5200. Technically you go to 5.2. We'll throw it at 5.2. Now some batteries are rated for more, but rule of thumb, throw the decimal point where the milliamp is. It'll be a safe bet. It's 5.2. You're going to click enter again. This will bring you over here. The 2-cell thing is flashing. This is a 2-cell, so technically we don't need to adjust this. But if you bought a 3, 4, 5, 6-cell, you can click it here. It'll cycle through for you. The voltage changes. But we have a 2-cell, so we want to lock that in. Hit enter. At this point, nothing should be flashing. Everything's connected. We can go ahead and try to charge it. Hold the enter button. Make sure it's hooked up correctly. It is. Hit enter to confirm and start. Now the timer has started. The amps should slowly climb up. The voltage will start going up, and it is in a charge setting. So at this point, the charger is charging. If you bought two of the same batteries, you can go ahead and hook up the other side exactly the same as we just did. Both units operate the same and obviously can be used independently. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.